What I'm about to do is I'm about to put these spacers on. 2-inch spacers just came in. I'm geeked about them. I'm about to put them on the back. Give it a little wide body. Give it a little wide body turn. I got some spacers on here. I got some 2-inch spacers on here. You can see them. It help you clear that turn too. Make that turn a lot better when clearing that turn. 22s, got some Emmett Smiths on there. So yeah, that's what we doing today. Go inside, buddy. Make sure y'all follow, subscribe, man. You already know. All my Cutlass gurus. Tap in.
Bicycle kept it tight like Rod Digger, but I finesse and rob niggas. I can't work the 9 to 5. I like the raw chicken. I like Coke 45s, but not the malt liquor. If I don't make nothing, I'ma take it like Rashard Givens. Long as I get the ball, I don't give a fuck if y'all win it. For my granny died, she told me don't you take a wood nickel, but I was trigger had a pocket full of dope on the mission. Ended up facing 80 years.
I'ma clean them up. These what's going on here. These 22 choppers. Put these 22 choppers on here and let them skate. On these spaces, on these 2-inch spaces. It's gonna be great. See how they chopping.
So if you need a job, I can put you on the payroll. I still got the pills, get you turned like Fabo. I drank with the winos, I'm about a Quavo. I bake brown cell weed, cook yayo. So if you need a job, I can put you on
Cutlass USA, you know what it is today. We got them shined up, we got them on there, the 22s. Shining them up. They a little dirty, but I'm getting them right. We're gonna watch the Cutlass Supreme USA, man. Make sure you follow us.